gonna say, geez, you're lucky, man. You've been only here for half as long as I've been here for, and he's already second flag. And oh yeah, oh yeah.
Oh, that's a good one.
Yeah, jeez.
Running like a bastard.
You know, tugging. I hope.
Fight it, brother. Fight it. Fight it. Fight it. Whoa.
You got him, huh?
Good one there, yeah.
Yeah.
Oh yeah, this is a big one.
Is he bigger than the last one?
Oh yeah, oh yeah.
No.
Yeah. So he's pulling this through my hands.
Holy, look at him pulling it right through. Yeah.
Oh wow, it's close too. Oh, don't like that hole.
No, he sees that light and he don't want to come up.
Been there before. Oh, big one. Big
You
one.
imagine it's that same one?
Yes.
You think so?
Yeah. Come on, bugger.
Come on.
I want to give him time.
You get him this time. Give him time.
Give him time, yeah.
What was this one?
Time.
Hey, that's cool.
Yeah.
You get the trout?
Oh yeah.
Yeah.
Not just big as the other one was. Easy, yeah. Come on, come on, come on.
Holy! You got him? Oh, the bass.
Fucking bass.
A bass. No shit. Oh no.
I was gonna do that twice.
No.
Every time, right?
That's a nice bass.
They break, they spit the hook.
Every time, huh? I don't understand what's going on with that, man. Second time in a row. Jesus, I thought it was a trout too.
I thought it was too.
Yeah, oh well. Yeah, it's a nice bass though. Hell of a bass.
Yeah, they're edible.
Yeah, they are. Yeah.
Especially this time of year, lay them.
Smallmouth, huh?
14 out of smallmouth, yeah.
Smallmouth? Oh yeah, somewhere around there. I don't know if I got a tape measure on me. He's all belly though. Yeah, that's cool. Hey, you got one though, you know? Yeah. They're all right.